Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, we're doing exactly what we did last month, from May into June. We sort of coiled up, didn't we? We got that level of resistance and support. Okay, see that? And we're getting really close to the apex. And at that point, I actually went short here. And the reason was because there was a massive signal telling me that Bitcoin was entering capitulation. If you remember, around about this time, we had a death cross on the 100-week moving average and 20-week EMA just there, and then historically, whenever Bitcoin's done that, within 1 week we do see a massive dump for Bitcoin in the crypto markets here. And this is why at this point, off this resistance here, I did actually go short. Okay, and I let it all the way down there, and I closed it on the measured move as well, which was from there all the way down. So I know a lot of the CoinsKid crew actually followed me on this trade, and this is where I closed my short all the way down there. Okay, now here, just because we've done it again with the price compression, okay, and we've done this price compression leads to expansion, like I said to you, it could have gone either way. Obviously, there was a little bit more bias to the drop because of what Bitcoin was doing in the charts right there. Okay, it's data. So again, we've come down, and again, we're coiling up in this sort of price compression leading to expansion, symmetrical triangle right there. Okay, and obviously this time I'm not going to trade before we get the break. I'm going to trade on the break here. So if XRP starts to close outside of this resistance, I'm going to go long, and if XRP starts to close outside of this support, I'm going to go short, basically. Now, it could be a case that XRP rolls out of this, does a higher low like this, and starts to come back up, okay, in a little bear trap, basically. But yet again, if it is a measured move, okay, we could say, okay, if you do start to lose this support and you start to close down wherever it is on the apex, come to your charts, draw the measured move, okay, and that would be your minimal target from wherever you do start to close below support, okay, because it's technical analysis, it's charting, it's measured moves and technical targets, basically, for XRP. So wherever it is at the time, if we do start to come down, you would be looking at a minimal short of around about 18%. But if you did break to the upside, which obviously can happen because this is crypto, it's how volatile it is, if we did start to come up and break this trend line, you would be looking at a beautiful long from there to there, all the way up of around about 20% as well. So there is a measured move that's coming, and it can be measured by measuring like this, if a symmetrical triangle, okay, the first point of contact and resistance coming back down in support, and wherever you do start to lose it, that's your target. You break it, that's your target. Do you understand? So what we're going to do is keep an eye on this over the next few days. If XRP coils up here and starts to break this and close that side, that could actually be quite technically bullish. Equally here, what we've got is, and obviously it can go the other way, this is why you come to your charts and draw the level of resistance and support. So I will try and keep you updated as I can. I am on holiday in Turkey at the moment, but at the moment, if I get as many contact points here, and this, always try and do this when you're drawing your trend lines, get as many points of contact on your trend lines as you can. So you can see we're getting major level of resistance here on this trend line. Do you see this? Let me get that wick right on there. Just sort of wicked outside it. Now, equally, breaking this trend line could be a very, very bullish statement from XRP going forward, because you are kind of being forced down here and forced into a corner, basically, and some kind of reaction. Like I've always taught you, compression leads to expansion, and right now you're getting compression again just here. So there is some kind of break that's coming over the next few days here for XRP. We've got compression here, and again, we traded accordingly. I personally went short at that point because of what Bitcoin was doing. At the moment, I'm a little bit more biased to the fact that XRP could break to the upside here, and surprise everybody and not do this because of Bitcoin being the historic low right there. But again, zero guarantees, okay? So I hope you enjoyed that little update. Come to your charts, draw your trend lines, okay? The link to the charting trading views, which is what I use, it is in the video description. Please, open trading view up, get involved, draw the charts, draw the trend lines, and and trade on confirmation of breaks of support and resistance. Closing outside of support is negative, and closing above key levels of resistance is positive. So you can see here, we're coming down. We never closed above, did we? Okay, and this is why I'm a bit more biased towards a drop. Just here, we're not closing above. But you could say this is a low, and right now you're ramped up into this. So this could be some kind of symmetrical triangle continuation pattern, if anything. Who knows? Okay, this is XRP. We're going to trade on the break anyway. It's coming really, really close. Compression leads to expansion. There'll be some kind of decision here. And I did say this a few weeks ago, that there will be some kind of decision in the markets over the next couple of weeks here for XRP going forward. Okay, hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.